Hey, what's up guys? Jared here with Texas Tough Customs. It's been a while. I've been working on this Pioneer for a bit, but it's time to finally take a look at the mechanical hydraulic pump that we're running on this thing. So I've had it running for a couple weeks now. This is going to be our first outing. We're out here at Hot Springs, but this is the mechanical pump that's running off of the crankshaft, our custom crankshaft, custom cap, custom all that, reservoir there, mechanical pump there, and that feeds all of our hydraulic steering up here, and we can just literally turn it with one finger. We could do a little walk around on this one. So this is the Pioneer 1006 seater. Just finished up the custom cage on it. Got our TTC Rocksliders. We are running our TTC 6-inch long travel kit on this, but we are running a super custom setup. I'm running a front Mount PSC Ram up front. I've got custom portal plates that I built, and I'm probably going to call this our mini ball joint delete. These are our 7/8 heim joints, and I just put a 9/16 bolt through them, made some custom spacers, and so now we have a front mount PSC Ram on this 6-seater. That's our TTC custom bumper, custom cage, custom windshield, you know, literally custom everything. Get a lot of people say, hey, does the bed still dump? Of course it dumps. Why would I build something that doesn't work? That doesn't make any sense, right? Here we go. For all you guys, does the bed still dump? Yes, bed still dumps. Does it dump as much as it did when it was stock? No, but I can still dump sand or whatever. I can still get in there to change the oil. I literally put the IGR in this thing the other day with it like this. So the bed still does dump. Everything still works as it should. Got front and rear harnesses in this custom cage. Custom headliner, obviously. And bump seat for my baby girl. So that's kind of a walk around on this. Specs on this, all the engine is stock. We're running 4-inch 30% portals with 25% IGR from Reduction Boss Machining. I'm running 35-inch rockzillas on this, and we're gonna go test it out this weekend at Hot Springs for a couple days, and then we'll be on over to Crossbar for the spring hoedown. So if y'all are available and you want to come out and ride with us or come check this thing out, if you see us on the trails, just wave us, stop us down, and we'd love to talk to you about it. Thanks guys, have a good one.